Namaste students. I JVN Indu, Assistant Professor, Department of Science and Technology, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today I will discuss introductory part of VHDL and history of VHDL. So let's start. First of all, I will discuss the introductory part of VHDL. VHDL is a hardware description language. VHDL is a type of hardware description language. Hardware description language is used to describe hardwares. VHDL stands for Very High Speed Integrated Circuit Hardware Description Language. The full form of VHDL is very only V. V stands for here, only this V stands for very high speed integrated circuit, and this SDL stands for hardware description language. VHDL is only for digital ICs. We can't use VHDL for analog ICs. Always remember, VHDL is only for digital integrated circuits. We can't use VHDL for analog ICs like operational amplifier. We will use VHDL only for digital integrated circuits. VHDL uses gate level design abstraction. VHDL uses gate level design abstraction. Gate level design abstraction means in the VHDL the minimum level of abstraction will be gate level. Okay, gate level design abstraction means in the VHDL the minimum level of abstraction will be gate level abstraction. Here a gate level description a gate level description consists of a network of gates and registers. A gate level description in the gate level description, number of gates and registers will be present instanced from a technology library. A gate level description consists of a network of gates and registers instanced from a technology library, which contains technology specific delay information for each gate. Simply, gate level abstraction means the minimum level of in the in the VHDL, the minimum level of the abstraction will be gate level. In other words, we can say that a gate level design abstraction means it consists of a network of gates and registers instanced from a technology library, which contains technology specific delay information for each gate. This gate level description will consist network of gates. Network of gates means here will present number of gates, more than one gates, and registers instance from a technology library. And this gate level description will contain technology specific delay information for each gate. Now we will discuss history of VHDL. According to the records, VHDL was initially initiated by the US DoD. According to the records, VHDL was initially initiated by the US DoD. DoD means Department of Defense. So VHDL was initially initiated by United States Department of Defense. They have initiated VHDL to design three complex architectures of electronics used in defense. First of all, VHDL was initiated by the United States Department of Defense. They have initiated VHDL to design their complex architectures of electronics. Basically, Department of Defense was initiated the VHDL because they want to design their complex architecture of electronics used in defense. But later, this was transferred to IEEE for standardization. Department of Defense initiated the VHDL to design complex architectures of electronics which which used in defense, but later this was transferred to IEEE for standardization. In 1985, all the rights of VHDL was transferred to IEEE. In 1985, all the rights of VHDL was transferred to IEEE. After 2 years, in 1987, IEEE launched VHDL standards. After 2 years, in 1985, all the rights of VHDL was transferred to IEEE. After 2 years, it means in 1987, IEEE launched VHDL standards. In 1994, revised edition of VHDL standard was published, which was named by VHDL 1076 standard 1993. In 1994, revised edition of VHDL standard was published, which was named by VHDL 1076 1993. In 2000, again revised edition of standard was launched and named by VHDL 1076 2000. VHDL 1076 2002 was published in year 2002. VHDL 107 standard was VHDL 1076 standard was published in VHDL 1076 2002 was published in year 2002, and VHDL 1076 2007 was published in year 2007. Recently, in year 2009, VHDL revised edition VHDL 1076 2008 was published. So, today I discussed introductory part of VHDL and history of VHDL. I hope you are satisfied with my today's digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment section and I will resolve it on the live session. Thank you.